Hold on, there's more. Northwest Exteriors is offering special financing, 0% interest for up to 18 months on approved credit. So don't sweat it out this summer when you can transform your home into a cool and stylish oasis with just dog days this summer. Call 888-TRUST-NW or go to trustnorthwest.com. Men, do you suffer from erectile dysfunction or Peyronie's disease? Has Viagra stopped working? Most ED cases are caused by plaque buildup, which causes blockages and restricts blood flow. Even Viagra can't get through. But thanks to the doctors at West Coast Men's Health, a revolutionary medical procedure is now available using acoustic wave therapy. This non-invasive, pain-free treatment breaks down plaque, restores blood flow, potentially reversing ED for good. And women, if your man has ED, talk to him about acoustic wave therapy and how West Coast Men's Health can help, regardless of age or medical history.
And West Coast Men's Health also now treats chronic pain, including neuropathy, plantar fasciitis, and carpal tunnel.
Call 916-352-8080. That's 916-352-8080. 916-352-8080. Or online at westcoastmenshealth.com.
I'm John Cross, attorney and CEO of the domestic litigation firm Cordell & Cordell. We help men deal with the life changes triggered by divorces, such as child custody and property division, among many others. But life changes also include after divorce. These changes can make parts of your existing court order irrelevant or harder to follow. If you feel a modification to your court orders might be necessary, talk to us at Cordell & Cordell. We're a partner men can count on.
500 Capitol Mall, Suite 2060, Sacramento, California, 95814. CordellCordell.com.
Did you know you can get your prescriptions for less at your local pharmacy? You can with GoodRx. It's the free app that can save you money on your medication. Just search for your prescription, choose the pharmacy and the price that works best for you, and then show your GoodRx coupon to your pharmacist at the drop-off counter. GoodRx works with over 70,000 pharmacies, including Walmart, Rite Aid, and Walgreens, and it works whether you have insurance or not. It's easy to save. Next time you drop off your prescription, test GoodRx. To start saving today, go to GoodRx.com. GoodRx is not insurance.
News 93.1.
KFPK Sacramento, KFPK FM, all the time.
From ABC News, Senator Cantu. He will go to Maui.
The President and the First Lady will be traveling to Hawaii on Monday to meet with first responders, survivors, as well as federal, state, and local officials.
White House spokeswoman Karine Jean-Pierre.
He will be going to a section of the island that there are no longer ongoing search and rescue efforts by that point. And the governor of Hawaii also agrees that Monday is a good time for the president to visit. So he'll be going there to bring hope.
ABC's Jay O'Brien. Fulton County, Georgia District Attorney Connie Willis unveiled a proposed schedule for Donald Trump's election interference trial. The DA asking the judge to set March 4th, right in the middle of the campaign, and potentially conflicting with other trials. Trump and the 18 alleged co-conspirators will likely have to show up at the county jail, where the sheriff has indicated they're ready, expected to be fingerprinted and get their mugshots taken. The sheriff saying defendants can turn themselves in at any time. The jail is open 24/7. ABC's Eric Kaczynski. Separately, Abigail Jones Fry of Alvin, Texas, in federal custody. She's charged with threatening to kill the judge on the election interference case, leaving a racist voicemail threatening to murder the judge and all Democrats in Washington. Weird medical science on the march. Surgeons in New York City say the genetically modified pig kidney they implanted in the body of a brain-dead man named Mo Miller has been functioning for more than a month without signs of rejection. Miller's sister, Mary.
Mo was a kind, giving brother who loved life and always lent a helping hand. It is only fitting that his final act, he will be helping so many in the need through this innovative medical advancement.
It might lead to widespread animal-to-human organ transplants. In the U.S., over 100,000 people are waiting for new organs. You're listening to ABC News.
California's capital city's KFBK News Radio update.
A tropical storm forming off the coast of Mexico could bring significant rain to San Diego County this weekend. Alex, starting with the National Weather Service, says the tropical storm Hillary will likely become a hurricane before dropping back down as it comes to San Diego Saturday through Monday.
We're not talking about just remnants. We're talking about potential for a
direct hit. It likely won't be a hurricane when it reaches San Diego, but what we do have confidence for is a direct hit. Initial projections are for 1 to 2 inches of rain across San Diego County, with 3 to 7 inches in the mountains over the 3 days this weekend. And negotiators for the Writers Guild of America and Hollywood Studios are still talking, but it's unclear if their talks are leading anywhere meaningful. The WGA and the Alliance of Motion Picture and Television Producers had another meeting on Tuesday that comes on the heels of Friday's meeting. That was a quick look at the latest news. I'm Mark Mayfield from the iHeartRadio newsroom.
Now, Sacramento traffic.
Good evening, 9:03. I'm Bob Williams. Latest on the highway fire on State Route 20 between Nevada City and I-80. We still have a closure at Washington Road. That's 15 miles east of Nevada City. No through traffic right now on Highway 20 between Nevada City and I-80. Approximately 25 acres burned. That's what we're learning now. And the Nevada County Sheriff's Office will not be lifting any evacuation orders or allow repopulation of the area due to spot fires. The closures are expected to remain in place throughout the night. Otherwise, a traffic hazard southbound Old Forest Hill Road, just south of Forest Hill Road. Reports there of a boat in the southbound lane. Just come off someone's trailer. Also, 80 eastbound, just west of the Enterprise Boulevard ramp, reports of someone climbing over the wall and walking into the roadway. That never ends well. Traffic on the 10s every 10 minutes, mornings and afternoons from the KFTK Traffic Center. Bob Williams, KFTK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1630.
Now, Sacramento weather.
Under a partly cloudy sky early this morning, lows between 66 and 70. Hot later today with sunshine, highs between 101 and 105. Partly cloudy tonight, low 62 to 66. Some sun tomorrow, high 87 to 91. And Saturday, mostly sunny, high 84 to 88. I'm AccuWeather meteorologist Kara Boginski on KFTK, Sacramento's News Radio.
Next update in less than 30 minutes. Breaking news the second it happens on KFTK News Radio. Sacramento's news, traffic, and weather station.
Get ready to win your way to our 2023 iHeartRadio Music Festival and $1,000.
You'll be there. T-Mobile Arena here in Las Vegas, September 22nd and 23rd.
Streaming live only on Hulu.
iHeartRadio Music Festival. Brought to you by T-Mobile. Experience more of the music you love with the record-setting 5G network. T-Mobile customers can unlock VIP benefits at the festival all weekend long. It's better over here. See why at T-Mobile.com/SEEWA.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
For pests to endanger their space, this last strain of outdoor cockroaches wants desperately to come inside your home, as do ants. John again is here for Jones Brothers Pest Control. Jones Brothers Pest has been protecting Sacramento homes for over 40 years. For a full list of their services, simply visit jonesbrospt.com. Call today. Call them at 916-852-8800 and ask for the John McGinnis special. New customers will receive $100 off when you sign up for their no-hassle annual service. That's $100 off. I trust these guys, and so can you. Already into the third to final hour of the Top Wall Show on a Wednesday. We're so happy that you spent some time hanging out with us. We do appreciate that on behalf of Kendall, myself, the entire team here on the Top Wall Show. Well, that's about the whole team right there. Oh, yeah, Bob Williams, too. Bob, Joe's part of the team. Scott Robbins is part of the team tonight, too. Who you can hear on Beyond the Humidor on your free iHeart app. Take the iHeart app anywhere. Listen to our show. Listen to KFTK, listen to Beyond the Humidor, Scott and Greg and Larry. We were talking and I was mentioning that my buddy went and took a DMV test and was surprised that he had to actually take the written portion of the test. Hadn't done that in a long time. So he's like, man, I didn't know what to do. You get these questions, I'm like, oh my God, I'm not sure. It took me a minute, I was very nervous, I had anxiety doing it. So I thought it might be kind of a fun thing. I thought, well, wait a minute, it's been a while. I've looked at one of those. Perhaps in the near future, maybe I'll have to take a written test. I don't know. But I thought maybe we could bring him here and see if we can answer the questions on the
So I'm asking Kendall and Scott some questions regarding, right directly off of the DMV written test. The next section pulled up. Let's see what Jason is all about in Pollock Pines tonight. Jason, our first call of the night. How are you?
I am wonderful, Pat. Thanks for hearing me. Can you hear me okay?
You betcha.
Yes, sir. So I'm up in Pollock Pines. We have no power because of PG&E, but that's another story for another night.
Sorry you're left with having to listen to this. This is it. All those fabulous TV shows on, and here I am.
Every night.
Thank you, Jason. God bless you, man. Thank you, buddy.
So it's been a while since I called in, but I have kind of a funny story about a D&D experience that I grew up with. So when I was 15, I happened to move from Florida to Kentucky just for reasons, and I happened to lose my learner's permit. So I've taken the written test for the DMV. That's part of getting your learner's permit. But when I moved, I walked into the DMV in Kentucky, and I said, "May I please get a copy of my learner's permit? I will need it for the driver and all of you for when I actually go and take my driving test." So we fill out all the paperwork. The lady was super nice. And I walk outside, and my grandmother had taken me at the time. But I open the envelope, and I have the hard copy of what says is a driver's license. Mind you, I'm 15.
Right. Yeah, the hard copy of of your driver's license?
Yes, sir. Never taking the driving test. So I looked at it, and it was really confusing. It was a vertical picture instead of a horizontal because I'm a minor, but it said driver's license. And I asked my mom, my grandmother, if I could see hers. And the only difference was mine was vertical and hers was horizontal.
Right.
And I said, "This says driving license. It doesn't say learner's permit like it says in Florida." She goes, "I think we need to go back inside. I think they made a mistake." And I said, "Don't you think they will contact me if it's really a mistake?"